I think it's creating those magical, imaginative, creative colleges and education places where people truly come alive. We've been at College Cambria today delivering the Taste of Fuel session workshop, which is a 3-hour session. It's around values, it's around belonging, it's around how do I understand myself more? How can I be better at being the magical human being that I am?
I found the Taste of Fuel session really engaging, really interesting, and just an opportunity to really think about me really for a moment. And also it gave me a real sort of flavour and thought around how we potentially could use it as a wider college. I really, really enjoyed it and I'd highly recommend it.
I found the Taste of Fuel session today really inspiring, motivational, and gave me lots of ideas of how I can take the ideas forward with the rest of my staff across the directorate.
I think for me it's that they can be the brilliant, magical people that they are, that they've got everything that they need. You know, we all have those elements of doubt, don't we? That kind of hold us back. But how do we use those as fuel to kind of be better, to deliver better education, to be better learners, to be better educators, and help us share that magic with our learners but also our colleagues as well.